Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a white noise drop effect for EDM in Native Instruments Massive. I'm not sure what this is technically called, but I call it a noise fall. This is what it sounds like. Yeah, really good for EDM drops, stuff like that, chill house, house music, pretty much anything under that EDM spectrum. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Native Instruments Massive. We're going to click New Sound. We're going to disable oscillator 1. Then we're going to go down to white noise, or we're going to go down to noise and make sure white noise is selected. We're going to turn that amp all the way up. And then we're going to go to envelope 3. And now we're going to start shaping that white noise, because right now it just sounds like just plain old white noise. So in envelope 3, we're going to bring that attack all the way down. We're going to put the decay up to about 90. And then bring the level of that decay all the way down. So this is going to shape our noise here, which we're going to use low pass 4. We're going to bring the resonance down just a hair, and then bring the cutoff all the way down. Then we're going to drag that envelope 3 onto the cutoff here, then click and drag right where you just dropped that, bring it all the way up, and then just down just a hair. So that's going to start shaping our noise here. And you can kind of play with the cutoff as well as the delay, the decay here, to get kind of different speed essentially. So that's where I like it. And so from there, we're gonna go to LFO 5, and we're gonna start giving it that that kind of pumping sound. So in LFO 5, we're gonna change that to Performer. We're gonna make sure Sync is selected here. And then we only want these first 4 bars to repeat. We don't need all 16. So we're going to click on 16 and then drag all the way to 4. So that just selects these 4. And then from there, we're going to go to Load Curve. And we're going to start basically painting in this, this loop, essentially. So we're going to start off. And then we're going to bring it up. Oops. Exactly like that. And then also, since the X fade, we're going to put all of these all the way up as well. And so what that's going to do is start giving us our pumping via the Performer here, looping these first 4 bars here. So we're going to drag the Performer 5 onto the side chain of our main amp here. And now you're going to start hearing it, kind of take shape. So we could just use that, but we want to give some more body to this. So we're going to go to Effects. We're going to put Delay Synced on, and either the left or the right, up to you. You want to change one of those sides to 1/8. We're going to bring the dampening all the way up and the dry wet back just a little bit. So what this is going to do is one side is going to be delaying at a different rate than the other, so it's going to make it sound nice and big and full-bodied. Yeah, exactly like that. Sounds great. But we're going to add a small reverb to it. Bring the density up a little bit. As well as the size. Dry wet back just a hair. You can mess with the color. I don't. It's a pretty minor effect. And that's actually our effect done here. And this is what it sounds like as the final product. And that LFO, that pumping, that is synced to the BPM of your project. So it's pretty handy that you can just load up this preset here and just be able to have a nice little simple drop in your EDM songs. If you don't feel like making this, if you just want the sound, I'll leave the download for it in the description. But I hope this helped out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe and leave a comment if you feel inclined to. But thank you for watching.